Rebecca here from Perfect Foods. We've been growing wheatgrass and microgreens since 1982. I just wanted to show you guys a little bit about microgreens and wheatgrass, okay? Let's get started. So these are sunflower greens. These are by far the favorites. They are really high in protein, so for any of you vegans or vegetarians that need that extra protein, this is the way to do it. Don't forget about your greens. They're delicious for salads, sandwiches. You can put them in a smoothie with some strawberries and banana. It's the best thing that you can eat. I grew up on them and kids love them, which is the best part about it. Okay, next we've got broccoli.
Hello there, young lady.
Hello, how are you? So these broccoli microgreens are known to have 20 times the nutrients as the adult broccoli. So if you don't like broccoli or you can't get your greens in that way, this is the best way to get it. It's the best bang for your buck, just do it like that. You got me? Okay, cool. Now the color mix here, these are spicy. So you've got radish, cilantro, arugula, all that stuff in here, and you can put it on avocado toast, you can put it on fish, on salads, whatever it is, your veggie burger, and just spice it up and give it some beautiful garnish. All of these microgreens can be found at Food Emporium. Any Food Emporium. Right now we are at the Union Square one. It was a pleasure to meet you guys, and I'd love to see you soon. Perfect Foods. Tag us.